definitely there are places that take advantage of it and do a great job at producing video, but so many places don't. Video is an easy way to visually articulate, answer a question, to give information. Another really important one is to, it's not a new concept, Terry. This is not a new concept, but it blows my mind at how well it works in 2020 and 2021 and beyond. We see phenomenal results from it as an agency because we do it for our clients, but our clients who also do it get good results. And that thing that I'm talking about is video. Video 5 years ago, 8 years ago was like kind of a hot thing. That was a button everyone was trying to push.
Right.
Only I think there was a lot of hype, but no action. And now, definitely there are places that take advantage of it and do a great job at producing video, but so many places don't. Video is an easy way to visually articulate, answer a question, to give information, whether it's humorous or emotional or just simply scientific, whatever that might need to be, no problem. But that's a great way to connect with your audience is through video. And there's so many other things that can come from video. Video can also be used in so many different ways.
Right. And to that point, technology has advanced to the point where, shooting video has become just super, super easy. I mean, everybody's got an iPhone, everybody's got a cell phone. You can shoot videos, you can live stream on social media, on YouTube and Instagram and TikTok and Facebook and LinkedIn. And so anywhere on social media you can live stream, but then those videos can also then be uploaded to Google My Business, or those can be posted to your website, or you can distribute those in all sorts of different places as well. Well,
there's kind of two parts to this video answer. And part number one is that you actually do it.
Yep.
Doesn't matter. And the more you do it, the better you get at it too. That's the thing is, you're gonna stumble a little bit at first, but you'll get better at it. But number two is once you've done it, how do you get people to see it? And there is not a better way. There is not a better way than to use social media to help get your brand out there. And as of today, that doesn't mean this is how it's always gonna be, but as of today, the hot social media places where you can leverage and get the most amount of information, regardless of what kind of business you are, are Facebook and Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok. TikTok is massively growing and gaining momentum. I would also say Pinterest and YouTube. That kind of rounds out the top.
The big ones.
The big ones, yep. So if you can put the information out on those places, fantastic.